Any easy and simple way to make you beautiful. Hello, welcome back to how to use aloe vera to make your face beautiful. Every week our face comes to the skin hole's name is aloe vera helps to affluent and removes the skin healing problem. Our skin face is fair and beautiful. Any ayurvedic simple way, by using it your face will not be damaged any way. You will be able to use it by everyone, young and old. Use it. First take an aloe vera, cut some part of it and trim the thin part on the inside. Then take a lemon, take out some lemon.
Hey there! Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Then take a teaspoon of rose water. Take it with lemon and mix it well. Then with the aloe vera, with this mixture, you will look your best.